Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a recipe, soup for human and for dogs. All ingredients below in my info box. Right here I have the vegetables and we're gonna need the ginger, carrots, potatoes, squash, and pumpkin. And the chicken hearts, but you can use any type of meat, okay? When the water is boiling, we're gonna add the vegetables. And the chicken hearts. Guys, this is a simple recipe and I'm not ashamed to publish this kind of soups, and you can save money with this recipe. After a few minutes, when the vegetables and the chicken hearts are cooked, we're gonna separate the portion for my dog. Guys, if you are new here on my channel, please subscribe. And now it's time to add salt. Remember, dogs cannot consume salt, okay? Now let's add the pasta to our soup and let it cook until the pasta are totally cooked. And now it's time to serve. Just in case, up and below in my info box you will find more recipes about soups for humans, of course, and more recipes for dogs. Guys, this is the final result. This soup is healthy and delicious. Guys, you have to try it. And now we are going to serve the soup for my dog. Guys, remember, dogs cannot consume salt, onion, garlic, and these kind of bad things for them. And now, let's see how my dog reacts with her favorite food. She loves soups. Guys, if you follow me on my social media, you know I feed my dog with a spoon. With it, I don't have to clean her face. But sometimes I let her be a dog and get dirty, of course, like you are watching in this video. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please follow me on my social media, subscribe to my channel, and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.